Hello friends, I am your guide to help you know everything you need to learn about Metastock. In this video, we are going to learn how we can update the daily data to Metastock so that we can analyze the daily data for our better investment and trading purpose. Before we start, we check the last updated date. For that purpose, we open Metastock and check the last updated date on any chart. Suppose we have opened the chart of Nifty and we put our mouse on the last updated candle and it shows it is the 5th of April 2022. So after 5th of April 2022, another trading day has passed. And in this video, we are going to update that file. It is very easy. I am showing you just 2 steps are involved and the updation will be done absolutely automatically. Let me show you the process. Before we start, we are closing Metastock. So the first step is simply you right click on your taskbar, the lowest pane on your screen, that is the taskbar, and you select Task Manager. So once you open the Task Manager, under the background process, you will see that all the programs those are running, they will be populated here. So you check for a program called Reals Metastock, right? This is the program that updates the software. Now you may see here, sometimes you will see here, sometimes you will not see here. If the Reals Metastock is here, you just have to right click here and end task, right? So this is the first step. If the Reals Metastock software shows up in your task manager, you have to right click and end task. But if it does not shows up here, you don't have to do anything. Simply close it and your first step is done. In the next step, that is the last step, you will see there is an icon called Reals Metastock shortcut. You just right click on the icon and run it as administrator, right? So it will keep you holding for a few seconds and then it will leave. That's it. Now the updation process has been started. But how do you know the updation process is started? So if you want to check it, you will go to your C drive and within this Windows folder, you will find this folder called MS Update, and within the MS Update, the third folder from the top is Logs. So you open the Logs folder and you will see a number of notepads. All the notepads have names of a particular date, and you will choose for today's date. Today's date is April 7th 2022, and this is today's date, and you will see that this particular file is increasing in size. You see it 131 KB, 132 KB, then 133 KB like this, right? So this particular file increasing means it is taking update. So as long as it keeps increasing, you don't have to do anything. Leave it there. You can minimize it or you can even close it. I am telling you that every day's file takes around 350 KB of data. So you have to give it that much time. So I'm pausing the video here. Once it stops, I will show you what happens. So after some time, you will see that the file size has stopped increasing. It has become 431 KB. Generally, every day's file is worth 350 KB, but some other files were also left to be updated, so it has gone slightly beyond that. So you can update 3, 4 or even 10 days worth of data at one go if you have particularly missed some data previously. And so that's it. Once the files has stopped increasing, you can close everything, and now you can open your Metastock again to check whether these files have really been written or not. So we are opening the chart of Nifty again, and we can see that yes, this date of 6th April has really been updated. We can open any other chart and see that all these data have been updated. So Reliance Industries has also taken a proper update. So that's it. This is how you can update the Metastock daily basis. So remember that we update the data to our server by 7:30 p.m. So if you run this software after 7:30 p.m. you will get a full update. So hope you enjoyed this little lesson as much as I did. So in our next video I will be explaining how you can run Metastock exploration so that you can condition some particular technical parameter so that some good stocks come up for your trading in the next day or next week, and that's a very important feature in Metastock. So stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye for now.